Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 online on Xbox. Connect your Xbox to the internet and sign into your Xbox Live profile. Make sure you own or have installed Red Dead Redemption 2 and that you have Rockstar Games Social Club linked. Update the game to the latest patch, set NAT to open if possible, and restart your console before launching the online mode. To start Red Dead Online, launch the game and select Story Mode only to reach the main menu, then choose Red Dead Online from the pause menu. Create your character and pick a role or free roam activities. If you encounter matchmaking delays, try recreating the session or using a different invite method. Keep backups of your save to avoid progress loss and check server status on Rockstar support pages when needed. Common issues include NAT type restrictions, outdated game files, and temporary server outages, so check each before troubleshooting. Open NAT by enabling UPnP or forwarding ports on your router and ensure your console firmware is current. Lower background downloads and disable VPNs to improve connectivity. Use private sessions for focused play and invite-only options to avoid griefers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.